Here we are, big old VW Volksrod. Just apologies for no video for the last 2 weeks. Just not been in the right frame of mind, not been really feeling it. And it's been raining as well. So, but I've been down here today and got some more done. I now have somewhere to put a windscreen. That's all the windscreen repaired all the way around now. Not too worried about this world here because I just want to show it. There's going to be no filler. This is literally going to be as it is. All the welds as they are. I've ground that bit down as well today, so it's still a little bit proud in that. But now I've got it's nice and flat for the screen to sit on. So I've got all this done. Still got a little bit there to do, but got some more to do on the inside of the dash yet. Up there, a few little holes along here. So I've repaired this side as well. There's a big gaping hole there. Right there, where it's all fixed now, solid. Don't know, that's where the plastic dash sat over the top, so I don't know whether to weld the plate in there or leave it and use it to hang something on or what. I don't know yet. So I've got to do that little bit there, just tidy that up, and then it's time to get on over the back and do some more of that rear wheel arch. Just fancy doing something different today. So I thought I'd come down, finish off the windscreen area. So that's that all done. So feeling a lot better about doing it now. Been a bit worried about tackling this bit, but watched Fitzy's fabrication and showed me I've learned so much from that channel. So Fitz, thank you very much, absolutely brilliant. Couldn't have done it without you. Learned a lot. So that's in, so we're all good to go. So don't know if I'll get down here much more before Christmas. Only got 3 weeks to go, and I'm nearly out of gas. So I'll make them down and do a few more bits, maybe even chop the floor out on this side, so it's all ready to start welding in the new year. Yeah, I think that's probably what I'll end up doing. But I've been buying up some bits as well. I've had a few deals at GSF, so I bought myself a pair of front shocks. Came to all of £20.85. Can't go wrong for that for a pair of front shocks, brand new. And came up on the sale the other day, a set of all 4-wheel cylinders, £20.16, I think it was, something like that. So I've now got all that. I'm just going to keep buying bits that I need, that I have to have, because I want to replace all the brakes. All the wiring's going to be replaced. Every single part of the brakes is going to be renewed. I just think it's a bit safer. I know it's MOT exempt, but for my own peace of mind, I'm going to put it in for one anyway, and do all the complete new brakes, complete new wiring, new wheel bearings, new suspension components, like ball joints. I'm going to try and rig up a steering rack rather than the steering box. I've got a few ideas on that, but that's, hopefully it'll all come in gradually and get that sorted. But that's a long way off yet before I get to that stage. So, but you can see I'm really pleased with this today. In fact, I'm over the moon with this today. So I'm going to leave it there, and I shall see you all on the next one. And just to say, we're getting there.